Questions on a page. These are the questions that you would see on a flip chart that a teacher has planned prior to teaching the lesson. These could be formative assessment tools, they could be learning tools, or just surveys. So I'm going to show you how to build a question on the page. So the first thing I need to do is I want to view my browser because I'm going to insert a new page. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to Insert, Page, and I'm going to do a blank after current because I want it after this page. Go to Insert, Questions. The first step is to click the green plus sign. Now when you come over here to your question properties, you have a couple different choices here on the types of questions you can use. The default is multiple choice, but you can also use the ones that you had just like an express poll. Yes, no, or true, false, sort and order, Likert scale, numeric, text, and equation. Right now I'm just going to choose multiple choice. So my question is going to be, what is the capital of Illinois? Okay, so I'm going to do 4 options. Springfield, Chicago, Decatur, and St. Louis. Okay. Also, notice here on your A, you can choose your multiple choice to how you want it to look. So you can make it a number, an uppercase letter, or a lowercase letter. The default is always uppercase letter. So then scroll down. And we need to get rid of some options. So I'm going to get rid of option 5 by clicking this red X, and option 6 by clicking this red X. And again, I need to assign the correct answer. So I'm going to go ahead and click Springfield. So now the computer knows that when we run this question, that Springfield is the correct answer when we get the results. Time limit, this will allow how long the students have to respond. Again, this is not necessary. The default is 0. If you want to have a time limit, you can change that. The next part is extremely important. So replace the page content with the current design. You have to click that. And I'm going to show you what would happen if you don't, because this is a common mistake people made. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Apply and Done. Then remember, I do have a question here. But once I click Done, look what happens. Nothing. There's no question. And the reason why is because we didn't click that one setting. And I do know that there's a question on the page because the green play button is lit up. So I need to go back and I need to edit that question. So I'm going to click on Edit, Questions on Current Page, because I know there's a question there. So I come back down here and I go ahead and I click Replace the page with content with a new design. So I have a bunch of different options here. Okay, there's a lot of options. But you need to keep in mind that your choices are uppercase letters. So pay close attention to the design you choose because some of these are numbers, some of these are lowercase letters, and some don't even have text in the box. So if it says something like option 1 next to the choice, then that means text is going to go in that box. One like this, there's going to be no text in the box. So the uppercase letters is the very bottom of the screen, so it's usually these two. If you just click one, and then you click Apply, and then you click Done, there you go. There's your choices. And then again, to launch the question, all you have to do is click the play or start the vote. So I'm going to go ahead and start the vote, and my people are going to vote. So we're going to say C. And then we're done. So then we can talk as a class, we can talk about this information. So I'm going to get rid of this. Now again, we can go find the information or the data from this vote back here in Voting Browser by clicking on the Results Browser Promethean Responder and looking at the question. So this time it's actually going to tell me my question because it is a question on a page. And again, I can click on the icon and view the results, or I can export all of this data.